Hello and welcome to today's video, and this method I'm going to share with you today is incredibly simple. You don't need skills, you don't need any experience, you don't even need money for this. Now the idea for today's video came about because over in the university we've just finished uploading this down here. So each month we have different case studies and workshops, and we've just released this one for the members, which is all about Instagram theme pages. Now, I didn't do this, I paid someone to come in and share this content. Now, after going through this, it's just incredibly eye-opening, and it's a method I've known about for a while. But after going through this workshop, it just made me realise, again, there's so much potential with earning online and making money, especially now. And in this video, I'm going to break down this for you, okay? So let's go ahead and have a look at this method. So it's all about creating Instagram theme pages and using them to make money. And as I've mentioned, we're literally using free resources for this, okay? So let me give you some examples of this, and then we'll go through the process of how you can do this yourself, okay? And if you are in the university, then go through this live workshop. It's awesome. There's resources in here. We've got lots more resources in here for you. You can see we've got a cheat sheet. We have homework for each day, getting followers fast. There's different ways you can monetize with this and lots more. Let's break it down for you, okay? So let's come over here onto Instagram, and I'll show you some people who are, making, well, they're not making money with this method, but they potentially could do. So here's an account. What is it? It's called we.love.dogs, okay? They've only created 137 posts, yet they've got 6,000 followers. And you can see on here, they get a lot of interaction on the posts, but they're not monetizing this because this is a theme page essentially. They're not making any money from this. I don't even know why they're not making money or why they're not attempting it, but this here has huge potential. I'll share with you another one around dogs. So this one over here is called Totally Pet Products. Now on here they're sharing, as you can see on here, simple images, simple, what is that, a sale on there. And again, look, if you look at the images, none of these are hard to go ahead and create. But if I scroll back up here, what's the difference between this page here? I mean, bizarrely, this one over here, this Totally Pet Products, 387 posts versus 137, and they've got less followers. So they've done more work and they've got less followers. But this website, this theme page over here, is actually making money because they're monetizing it using this down here. So this is Linktree. This is free. Okay. So if I click on here, it opens up into here. Now we can see on this page here, look, order here, this one, all of the, I mean, there's a lot on here. Look, shop dogs, cats, I don't know why they've got that on there. Dog jump, I mean, what is that? Dog jumpers. Sending me over to here, different dog jumpers. Now, this person here, this could be their own website, or they could be literally just linking over to, well, it's literally, let's go back, let's look at this. Yes, it looks like it's their website, but you don't have to link out to your own website. You could link out over to something like the Amazon program, whereby you find products for certain animals. So in this example, it would be cats. You could go onto Amazon, find products, link over to them, like what I do here, and you could be earning money from this method. It's not difficult, okay? But this is one example in the dog niche. What about a different niche? Well, let's go and look at this one over here. So this one is called Motivation Mafia. And again, I mean, look how simple this is. It's literally black background with white text over the top, and I mean, you can see on here they're getting a lot of interaction on this, okay? Now what are they doing? So they're posting stuff in the motivation niche. If we come up here and let's have a look where they're sending us over, I mean, look at this, they're sending us to Audrey Diamonds. Let's go and have a look at this. I don't want a code, thank you. They're sending me over to this page, so high-end luxury products. Now if this is an affiliate link, they'll be earning some pretty decent money from this. If this is their own website, they'll be earning a lot more than affiliate marketing. But again, the whole method is all geared around the same concepts. Whether we are doing something like motivation, whether we are doing dogs, whether it's woodworking, horses, cats, doesn't really matter. The simple process about this, and after going through this workshop myself and breaking it all down, it really is a simple process. So we'll start at step one. Step one is, what are you going to create a page around? It can be anything at all. Just pick a niche. Once you've gone ahead and picked a niche or a category, then the first step before we run off and start creating content, we look at other creators in that niche and look at, what are they doing? What's working well for them? look at their posts, look at the the content they're sharing, look at their hashtags. Once we've got 3 or 4 similar accounts in our niche that are creating content, we can look at what's working. We could even look at their affiliate products that they're going ahead and recommending and sharing, okay? But we find a few accounts which we can look at. And we're not going to copy them, but there's an old saying which is success leaves clues. And why wouldn't we, copy success? Why wouldn't we try and replicate that ourselves, okay? So we go ahead and we find a number of accounts. We look at what's working for them. We then go ahead and model our own. So in terms of this, once we've got our list of accounts, we know our niche, obviously we'd need to find some products which we can become an affiliate for. Now, I'm not going to break down all of the affiliate categories out there for you because there's hundreds of different platforms. But essentially, the whole thing is you are finding products related to your category or niche, which you can then share using your link. And you can either do something like this, but realistically, you'd probably go down the route of Linktree like this, whereby it's totally free and you can just put products in there. So I'll show you that in a second, okay? But we need to find products that we are going to go ahead and promote essentially. So obviously you have the Amazon Associates, you have the eBay Partner Network, you have Etsy, you can go onto ClickBank. You can just, depending on the page or the niche that you're going into, you could just type in, so let's just say, I'm going to type in dog affiliate programs. It's as simple as this, okay? Look, top 10 affiliate programs, top 10 pet, top 10, this one here, look, you can go ahead and find all of these. So let's just we'll just click on this one. And we'll go in here, okay? And we'll scroll down. And now they're going to look. These are the best pet affiliate programs to promote this year. So there's lots on here. So, and it'll give you a breakdown. So look, this one here, Chewy. Program name, this down here. The network that it's on, so we can see over here, it's on this, it's called CJ Affiliate or Commission Junction. Shows you how much commission you can earn for new customers and orders. Yeah, and you just go down and have a read of this and find some different affiliate networks which you want to promote. Once you've gone down that route, you simply go onto their affiliate program and sign up. Now, if we come over here, let's just go ahead and have a look at some of the websites. So, Chewy Affiliate Program. Let's just click on here. Look, join the program. Come further on the page here. It tells you all the information about this program as well. And the other thing, what you can do is, before you go and join the program, you can just go over to the website. So on here, we can just type in Chewy. Chewy. I'm just going to go with Chewy Dog website. And there we go. So we can see this is the website whereby we can find products that we can link to over in Linktree. So scroll down here, look, they've got, there's loads on here. Look at this. There's so much stuff you can link to, okay? So once you found some affiliate programs, then you'd need something like this, which is called Linktree. Again, it's free. So let's just get rid of that. Go to the home page. Everything you need, simple. Look, you come over here, you sign up for free. Let me show you how it looks on the back end. So let me just quickly log into here. Okay, let's log in. And then inside of here, it's really simple, genuinely simple. It's drag and drop. So once we're inside of here, it will show you a preview on the right-hand side over here. And on the left-hand side over here, let me just get rid of that. Let me get rid of that. So we can see down here. So whatever we have over here, this is how it will look down here, okay? So once you've gone over to an affiliate program like this one or any affiliate program, you would get links, specific links to a product. So let's say we've signed up to this website here, this Chewy, and then let's just say we want, I don't know, was going to feature tough, I don't know, what is that? Dog chew toys. We would do this, okay? So let's just say we'd go, this is the one we're going to link to. Or you could even just link to the whole category. But we'd take that there. But bearing in mind, when you're an affiliate, you'd get your own affiliate link. So it'd be the same link, but with a tracking link at the end of it, which is just which normally they'll just populate for you in the website. Once you've got that, you come inside of Linktree, you click on Add a Link. Here you put the URL. So we paste that in there, and then we click on Add. Then what happens here is it goes down here. Now you need to give it a title. If you don't give it a title, it will automatically create one for you. So you can see over here, it's gone over here. So we'd be linking over to that dog chew. But, try and get you the best bang for your buck with this. You wouldn't just link to one product, you'd probably link to the whole category. So like this one over here, we would say dog chew toys. So like we'd copy that and we'd come back over here into Linktree and we'd just edit this. So I'd paste that into there like so, click on here, and then all I'm doing here is, let me get rid of that page. I'm going to come back over to here and I'm just going to go with that. I'm just going to copy it. See, I'm just copy and pasting basically. Click on there, let's get rid of all that, paste that in there, and that's that done. And then in a second, look, it automatically updates. And inside of here, I can put in text also. I can just type in the best dog chew toys, and then it changes like so. So at this point, we've decided on a category. We've found some different products we can become an affiliate for. We have got other accounts in our niche who are creating content, so we can look at the style and the sort of content they're creating. Once you've decided on the sort of content you want to start creating, you just go over to Canva. Again, it's free. Come over to Canva, canva.com, and we come inside of here. And then in here, we just create. So on here, we just click on here, we type in Instagram, like so. And then we've got all these, look, we've got all these templates. So do you want a portrait, a person, etc. So we'll click on that. And then we've got all of these different templates. So you can use these templates or you can create your own. But if we wanted to search for something, so let's just type in, I don't know, let's just type in dog, see if anything comes up for that. We've got all of these. So we can come into these and we can edit these as well, okay? So let's just click on this one. Looks good. Customize this template. So in here, I can literally, as it says, customize this. It's all drag and drop. It's simple. You can move any of the elements around. You can make them bigger, smaller. You can change the font size, the color of this. I've shared videos on Canva so many times in the past just because of how easy it is, okay? But all we're doing here is inside of Canva is we're using it to create our post. Once we're happy with our post in here, we come up to share, come down to download, and then we just download this as a PNG file. And then we are uploading that onto Instagram using our hashtags. Now when it comes to your hashtags, like I mentioned, you can go into these other accounts and look at the hashtags they're using. You could even come on here and just type in best Instagram hashtags. Okay, come down here and then you can just go, well, that's Shopify, so let's just come down here, Hootsuite, let's go into best Instagram hashtags and type in generator like so, not with caps locks, and then just come down here and look 13 best Instagram hashtags. And there's loads of these that you can go ahead and use. There really is, but you can just go in one. All hashtag is a pretty good one. So if I wanted to, I'm just going to type in, let's just say, I'm going to type in dog chew or dog toy. I'm going to type in dog toys like so. And I'm going to click on the top ones and I'm going to generate. And then it takes a second and you can scroll down and look, it will give you the best 4 hashtags for dogs. So you can take those specific ones. Or if you want to do it a bit more, just type in dogs. And again, we'll leave that on top. Or you can even have it on live. But we get our tags from here, okay? So generate. And then we scroll down. It takes a second. And then look at that. You've got your best 30 dog hashtags. All here. Scroll further on the page, similar hashtags. We've got all of these. So what will it take to make money with this method? A bit of time, a bit of effort, and a bit of consistency. Because as you've seen, okay, it's not hard, it's not difficult. It just takes a bit of consistency. And after going through this workshop over here and looking at this, the potential with this is ridiculous. Now over in Canva you can use videos as well, and there are other ways. Once you start making money, you could actually go ahead and speed this up. You could use schedulers, so you could create a full month's worth of content on Instagram using a scheduler. I mean, a free one off the top of my head, you could try later.com. They've got a free Instagram scheduler, and you can just start putting your content on there. But either way, it's a simple method, it's an easy method, and people are making some very good money indeed. So yeah, that is today's video. If you've got any questions, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you soon.